Hi, I got my trial copy of Home Designer Architectural 2021 open. I'm thought I'd just do a quick mock-up of what you're looking at. I'm just going to draw a rectangle without regard to the setting of the ceiling height of it. And you see, let me tell you what. I'm going to create, an overview. And then I'm going to hit on the keyboard, the Shift key and F6 to split the screens. There's a one story with a structure, excuse me, with a hip roof system on it. Now I'm going to go build floor, build new floor, keep it simple, just derive it from the first floor. I'm going to leave it at 8 feet. I'm an American, so I don't use metric. So there's this two-story structure. Now I'm going to click on this. See, now we're on, we need to go to the second floor and click on this wall, and then open them and tell them I want a gable roof. Go to the roof tab, full gable wall with the auto roof generator on. There it is. Now in your picture, let's see. That roof looks more like 1212. I'm just guessing. So I'm going to go over here to, and tell the software that, see? I'm going to go over here to the build roof, double click on that. Let's see. No, that's not what I want. I want to, oh, okay. I want the build roof tools. There we go. See, the pitch is set to 8. I'm going to change it to 12. And we'll get a steeper roof on there. Now I'm going to go over here and turn off auto rebuild roofs. See, it's something you can turn on and turn off. Auto rebuild roofs. This software only does what you tell it to do and nothing more. Now I'm going to go, excuse me, build floor, build new floor, derive from new third floor from the yada yada. And okay, see? There's a third floor there, but I didn't, I turned off auto build roof, so it stayed where it was. Now let's look at this in a cross section. I think architectural has a cross section. Yeah, first floor, second floor. And you may have to adjust these roofs. This doesn't look like there's enough space, and maybe it's not as steep, but you know that, I don't. Yeah. See, I guess it's in here, yeah. Looks like these roofs are not sitting on the second floor like I thought. See, they're more like up here. That creates more space in the attic. So they killed this elevation view. And we'll go to the third floor. Well, excuse me. This is the third floor. I'm going to go over to edit default settings. And I'm going to go to floors and rooms, floor levels, third floor. Click on edit. And the knee walls, the sides are pretty low. So I'm going to set the ceiling. This is just to guide the roof generator. I'm going to say it's 32 inches. I'm just guessing. Now auto roof generation is off, but now I'm going to rebuild roofs on a 32-inch plate on the third floor. And I'm not going to ignore the top floor. Oh, there is no build roof. Maybe you just open it and close it. Yeah, there it is. See how it raised that up? The software only does what you tell it. If you don't tell it the right things, then you get, not what you want. Now let's look at this. Okay. Now I would go back to the floor plan on this third floor. We're on the third floor. Yeah. And raise the ceiling without rebuilding roofs. Okay, from 30. Now I've got the roofs where I want them. I want the ceiling at 96 inches or 8 feet. We'll go back to the cross section. That's beginning to look more like your attic room. You get the idea? So that's what I would, in my pre-comments before I did this video, you have to guide the software to a result. It doesn't have any intelligence, no judgment. It doesn't know anything about architecture. It's just a tool to help you arrive there that is pre-programmed to do some things that will help, but you have to provide the guidance and the settings and the intelligence to arrive, okay? Anyway, I hope this helps you, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.